Welcome to Soft Tech. Today we'll be creating a smart garden like that is shown on the screen. Uh, the idea is to just turn on the lawn sprinkler when the water level goes down a certain lower limit, and just turn it off when this set limit of water, the water level exceeds a certain mark. So let's start from the scratch. Let's first take this server and then the home router. Let's configure this router first. Let's give it this IP address. Let's label it first and then we'll just configure 192.168.7.10, 7.10, and this is the default gateway. Let it be 192.168.7.1. Let's call this a smart garden. Let's connect these two devices with this copper straight through wire, fast Ethernet 0 and fast gigabit Ethernet 1. Let's configure this router also. Configure wireless router 0 and wireless 2.4G. Let the SSID be DevTech. You can give it any name that you want. And in the authentication table, let's uh, select WPA 2-PSK. Let this passphrase be anything like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It should be at least 8 characters, including digits and letters. It can be that way. Let's just close it. Then let's go to this GUI uh, wireless. No. GUI setup. That was 7 192.168.7.1. That is the default gateway. And what we need to do is just click on this save settings. And then close it. Let's have some end devices for the garden, like this water monitor. Let's go to the home tab, and then there is this nice little water monitor. And then uh, we need to check the level of water in our garden. So let's have one more thing, that is that this is the lawn sprinkler, and let's have this water monitor that will just check the level of water in the garden. And let's have one more thing. You know what, let's have a laptop, a nice little laptop over here, and then let's configure it a bit. First we need to just turn it off and then replace this one with WPC300N and then turn it on and close it. It will be connected. It is connected now, and let's check whether this IP address has also been updated or not. It has not been updated as yet, so let's just go to this desktop. uh, let's just click this thing and go back to this DHCP again. This is updating, so the IPv4 address has also been updated. Earlier it was a different IPv4 address, now it has been updated. And then what we do next is let's just go to this thing, uh, web browser. What was the IP address of the server? This was it. I made a mistake. I should have just assigned this, configured this server, which I forgot. That was a lapse. Now it shall work. 192.168.7.1. 7.1. Now let's try to log in through this server laptop. Let's go to web browser. 192.168.7.10. Now it works. Sign up now and let it be admin, and admin again for ease, for the sake of ease. It's now logged on. Let's add some devices to this. Let's configure this lawn sprinkler config, and then sprinkler, let it be uh, sprinkler, and then what, this is okay, and then what, the remote server, let it be the IP, the server address is, I hope you have remembered, 192.168.7.10 admin. Admin, it should work now. Let's check if it works. Something wrong? Let's check. Okay, this is what, WPA2 -PSK. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let it be like that. And SSID is DevTech. And then what? This thing, DHCP. It has not been updated. Let's do one thing. Let's go to this advanced and IP config. This is okay. And now I think it's all right. It should connect now. This default gateway is also updated. Let's just refresh. Now it works. That's great. And then comes what, this let's configure this. Let's just go to this config. This is what, water monitor, water level monitor. And what we do is just go to wireless, and this I hope you have remembered this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and then this has not been updated. This means, like, let's check. We need to go to the advanced. This IPv4 address has not been updated. Let's go to the advanced. Then what? This is all right. pt-iot-nm-1w, this is all right. Input output configuration, that is. Now let's just uh, now it should work. Remote server, what is that? Remote server, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is all right. Let's go to advanced. uh, Input output config is all right. And then config water level monitor. What was the IP address? 192.168.7.10. Username was admin and the password was also admin. Let's try to connect and see if it works. It did not, means we need to change something. Something went wrong somewhere. Yes, that is it. DevTech. Yes. Now let's see if it works. Does it? It did not. It did not, means let's go to advanced config. Okay, what next? Config admin. Now it works. It's updated. The IPv4 address has been updated. Now it works. Now let's close this thing. We are done with connecting. Now this should be populated. It is populated now. And now we'll set the condition for this turning on and turning off this sprinkler, this lawn sprinkler. For this, let's just turn on this sprinkler. All right. No, let's set the condition. Add name is turn on, and then what? If match all, water level monitor, water level itself. So water level, if it is what, less than 10, let's say less than 10 centimeter, then set sprinkler status to true. Okay. If the water level is less than 10 centimeters, the sprinkler will turn on automatically. Okay. uh, okay, this is one condition. Let's add one more condition. Let it be, the name be turn off. Okay. This thing, water level monitor, water level is say greater than 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters will be all right, because it was less than 10 centimeter for turning it on, turning the sprinkler on. So if the water level is more than 10 centimeters, then the sprinkler should turn off automatically. Okay, false. And let's just add this condition. Now it works. Now let's check, let's demonstrate this thing. Let's go to home and let's just minimize this screen so that you can see how it works. Let's turn on this sprinkler. Okay, this, let's turn it on. It's 13. It's now, it's less than what was the condition? If it's less than 10 centimeters, the sprinkler turns on automatically, and if it is more than 10, then it just turns off automatically. That is how this smart garden works. Just check. When it's more than 10, then the sprinkler turns off. uh, when it is less than 10 centimeters, the sprinkler turns on, and when it is more than 10 centimeters, water level is more than 10 centimeters, the sprinkler turns off automatically. This is how this system, this smart garden works. And let's just let's inject some greenery into it. Since it is a garden, I won't have flowers in it, but then I can just make it a green lawn. Let's select this color. This one shall be like, okay, this one is not the one. Will it look good? Maybe this one. Let's check. Yes, this is how this smart garden looks like. It's pretty like modern one. In coming days, I'll just add some features to it uh, to just make it more like in thing, like more hip and happening kind of garden. This is just a demo. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Please subscribe to my channel, like it, and comment on my presentation so that I can just improvise the whole thing in coming days. Thank you.